Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the narrator output audio device on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. This will change what audio device the narrator will speak from. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for settings and then open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility Settings, select Narrator. In Narrator Settings, scroll down to the Narrator Voice section, and you'll see the option for Narrator Audio Output Device. Click the drop-down box beside it, and you can change the audio device that Narrator plays from. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.